My good morning all. My name is Sheikh Jasmine. I am studying 8th class A section. My school name is SAVR ZPH School Edlapalli. We are participating with Vikasit Bharat Buildathon. My project name is Women and Child Development. My team members is G Mokshasri, Sheikh Jasmine and M Jyoti. Improvement through education safety devices, education awareness programs, conduct awareness comparing according parents to send girls to school, provide scholarship and free living materials for poor children, skill development trainings, set up training central for women to learn swinging computer skills or internships, help them start small business and became finally implement women problems. Gender equality. Women are often treated unequally in the education, jobs, and social rights. Domestic violence. Many women faces abuse and violence at home, which affects their physically mental health. Child problems, child labors. Many children are forced to work instead of going to school. Child marriages. Some children run, especially girls, married of every young age. Solutions for women problems, education and awareness. Conduct awareness programs to promoted girls' education, promoted education, scholarships and self-defense training for women. Solutions for children's problems, free and high quality education, ensure every children affects school through government infused skills and right to education, stop child abuse and child marriages, selectively enforce law braining and promoted awareness among parents about the importance of livelihood and education. Child safety measure, develop tracking delusions and children's safety, create a child helpline number and awareness programs, health and nutrition programs, implement free violence drivers and nutrition programs in school and villages. Thank you.